Here's how to find downloaded files on your iPhone or iPad. If you downloaded a file from the internet, it's usually saved in the Downloads folder inside the Files app. First, open the Files app on your iPhone. If you can't find the blue Files app icon on your home screen, swipe down from the middle of the screen and search for Files. Tap the Files app from the search results. Next, tap the Browse tab at the bottom of the screen. Then, tap iCloud Drive. Now, open the Downloads folder to see all of your downloaded files, including PDFs, images, documents, and more. If you downloaded the file from Safari just a few moments ago, there's an even faster way to find it. Open Safari and look for the Downloads button next to the address bar. Tap the Downloads icon and you'll instantly see your recently downloaded files. From here, you can tap any file to open it or long press it to share, move, or delete it. If you still can't find your download, check the On My iPhone folder in the Files app, because some apps save files locally instead of in iCloud Drive. That's it. Now you know exactly where to find downloads on your iPhone and iPad. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials.